Alrighty, so we've got our Chapter 4 projects, and we go ahead and declare this is the test scores program, so we declare a new test scores class. Three fields for the test scores. Constructor that takes three test scores and then sets our test score fields there equal to those given values. Accessor and mutator methods for the test score fields. An average method that returns the average test score, and a letter grade method that will return the letter grade by calculating the average and comparing it to this criteria, assigning a grade, and returning that letter grade. Alright, so now we test this, and we get our keyboard input here. We declare temporary variables to hold the test scores. We ask the user for the test scores, assigning those variables. Then we go down here, and we declare a new test scores object called T, using those given test scores. And we display the user's average test score and the letter grade that they made. Okay, so they made an 80, 90, 85, and they made 85 and a B. So pretty solid grade there. All right, on to race. So here's a race program. We declare a new race class with information for runner 1, runner 2, and runner 3. Time is recorded in minutes. And we've got each runner has a name and time in minutes it took them to complete the race recorded. A field for each of those total 6 fields. Accessor methods for each and mutator methods for each of those fields. And a first method that will return the name of the first place runner. A second method that will return the name of the second place runner. It was pretty cool that Java had a built-in XOR operator. I thought that was kind of handy. That way I didn't have to build my own. And a third method here that will return the name of the third place runner. Alright, so now we get the keyboard input, declare a new race object called R, and we get runner 1's info, runner 2's info, and runner 3's info. And we display who was first, second, and third. Alright, so let's do that. So we got Bob here. Finished in 7 minutes. And finished in, I'll say 3 minutes. So Larry won. Good job, Larry. And Joe was in second place, and Bob was in third place. Alright, so now we go to our BMI program. Declare a new class called BMI with fields for weight and height. A method, constructor that takes the weight and height and sets those fields equal to the given values. Mutator methods and accessor methods. And a method called analyze weight that will calculate the user's BMI and determine if they're underweight, if they have an optimal weight, or if they're overweight, and we'll print that out to the console. Alright, so now we get the keyboard input. Let's see, we ask the user how many pounds they weigh, how many inches tall they are, and then we declare a new BMI object of those given weights and heights, and we call the analyze weight method to calculate their BMI and to determine what that means. They're underweight, have an optimal weight, or overweight. Alright, so this guy weighs 200 pounds, and he's 70 inches tall, so now he's overweight. Alright, so if we run this again, we'll say he's 200 pounds,